The Ninja H2R is Kawasaki's ultra-high-performance, track-only hyperbike. It's not legal for the road. It's built for closed circuits, drag strips, or private tracks. Everything about it is extreme. Aerodynamics, power, tech, all to deliver mind-blowing speed. Wrench key specs and features. Here's some of its core specifications and features. Latest versions / approximate figures. Feature detail. Engine 998 cubic centimeters. Inline-four cylinder, supercharged. Compression ratio 8.3 to 1. Power 310 horsepower at 14,000 RPM, rising to 326 horsepower with ram air. Torque 600 Nm, 600 egész 5 lb-ft, 12 500 RPM. Transmission 6-speed dogring gearbox, quick shifter, both upshift and downshift. Suspension front, 43 mm inverted fork, fully adjustable. Rear, Öhlins/TTX type gas-charged shock with serious tuning adjustability. Brakes dual large Brembo discs front is almost equal to 330 mm. Single disc rear with high-end ABS and brake management. Weight around 216 kilograms is almost equal to 476 pounds. Top speed claimed 400 kilometers per hour in some reports. Kawasaki quotes 380 kilometers per hour. Fuel capacity / mileage, small tank relative to usage. Mileage is very poor, track usage, etc. Somewhere around 10 to 12 km/L in ideal conditions. White heavy checkmark what it excels at. Pure power and speed. It's one of the fastest production machines in terms of horsepower and top speed capability. If you're chasing straight-line dominance, this is among the best. Engineering and tech. The supercharger, electronics, braking, and aero are race-level components. The winglets and airflow design keep it stable at insane speeds. Track performance. If you're on a closed circuit with enough straight run, the H2R will pull away from almost everything else. The power delivery, braking, and suspension are built for high-speed riding. Exclusivity and flair. Just owning one is a sort of status symbol. It's an attention magnet. Kawasaki put a lot into materials, finish, and the aesthetic aggression. Not street legal. By design, you can't ride it on public roads in most countries. That limits practical use. High maintenance / cost. Parts, servicing, tires, fuel, all are expensive. Supercharged engines under high stress wear faster. Track fitment means more frequent maintenance. Usability, very harsh in a good way. Suspension, seating, throttle response, all optimized for speed. For anything like everyday riding, it's impractical comfort, visibility, maneuverability, etc. Fuel consumption, very thirsty, especially when pushed. Weight and handling trade-offs. While it's powerful, tackling tight corners or twisty roads is challenging compared to lighter sport bikes. Its mass and extreme power make mistakes more costly. Heat / ride fatigue. At high speeds or long track sessions, pilots can get tired. Heat from engine and riding position takes a toll. Magnifying glass tilted left, real-world performance and impressions. Riders often report brutal acceleration, reaching 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds or less. Top speed runs on closed tracks or test runs tend to approach the claimed numbers, though environmental conditions, altitude, temperature, track length play a big role. Handling at high speed is confident, thanks to aero, winglets, big brakes, and high-quality suspension. But at lower speeds or in everyday traffic, it can feel very heavy, twitchy, and unwieldy. Vertical traffic light verdict. If you're a track enthusiast or someone who wants the absolute peak of machine performance, the Ninja H2R is a beast, and not for everyone. It's less of a practical ride, more of an engineering showcase, and a machine for very specific use. Its strengths are shock and awe, blistering acceleration, and a sense of riding the edge. If I were you, I'd say, unless you have regular access to a track, deep pockets for upkeep, and the skill plus nerves to safely manage that kind of power, you might get more usable satisfaction out of something a bit less extreme.